Hi guys, I'm going to mount a Chigee AIO-6 Max. I bought it in Amazon. It's a navigation system slash, oh yeah, it's a motorcycle smart riding system. So it can do Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. That's also available in cars. So this one, it's like a third party for a motorcycle. I bought it in Amazon, so I'm going to install it. I don't really know how to install it. I just look at the manual and some of the videos in YouTube, and let's give it a shot. I actually have an appointment for a installation of this one, but it will be like for next week, so I'll give it a shot before I go there, because maybe I can do it and it's free. You know, when you go to the shop or for service, it could be expensive. So yep, hope this one would do. Hope I won't destroy it. But anyway, it's just, I guess it's just plug and play. So this is the unit. It's just like not that big, just enough. And this is the mount. So it's just a snap, or a, you need to plug it on, and yeah, it has a power. So by the way, this riding system has a camera also, which acts as a dash cam. So it has a front and back camera. So the front camera, yeah, it can also record. It has a micro SD card, and one good thing with this one is, like, for the back camera, there's a blind spot detection thing, so it will warn you if there are like cars on the sides that you cannot see. So yeah, it's good also. So yeah, as what I've read in the internet, this one, the red one, goes to the positive of the battery. This one is the ground, goes to the negative of the battery, and this one goes to the ignition switch thing. So if you turn on the keys on your motorcycle, it will also turn on this one. So yeah, let's try to fix this one or attach this one to the plug and play system. So I need this one, the yellow one, then this one, the metal thing. So you just place this metal thing on the wire, and you just plug it in there, and everything will be plugged. So let's do this. So just a rundown of what I did, guys. I bought a splitter on Amazon for this is the ACC terminal. So it's when you turn on the ignition. So this the power came from. And I bought a splitter so that I can put two accessories. So the yellow one from my accessories, this should attach to the ACC terminal, and the black and the red is on the battery. So positive and negative, the black is on the negative and the red is on the positive. So there are fuses on that one. I did not run the accessories, my Chigee navigation system and the fog light on the ACC because I don't want to put too much current on the bike, so I just tap on the current on the battery directly because I don't want to burn the fuse or blow the fuse of the bike. So I just tap directly with the battery, so if anything goes wrong, the bike would be safe, because this one also has fuse. So these are the fuse for the fog light and for the Chigee. So yeah, just a rundown. Now I got everything fixed. I will just secure the cables, tidy it up, attach the fog light probably in front, and attach the camera for the Chigee, one from the back, one from front, and that should be it. Return everything. Yeah, good thing with the camera, it has a blind spot monitoring, so I would know if there are cars on the side, so it will appear on the screen, so I will show to you later. So for now I'm going to finish this one up and everything will be done. tire sensor, everything. 22 PSI front. So camera back, front. Let's do the back. Back is the most important one. I will not use GPS because I know where to go. Just in the gym. May tao sa likod oh. Medyo blurred siya kasi hindi ko tinanggal pa yung ano cover ng camera. So nice. Kita ko yung likod. Alam ko na kung may tao sa likod o may kotse sa likod. Nice. Kita ko yung likod oh, kita ko yung likod. So I don't need to look at the side mirror, or even I don't even need to look at my back, just by the screen. Grabe ka, nice parts. Hindi ko pa nga tinanggal yung ano yung cover ng lens ng camera. Yung linaw na. Diba? Safety is, pero parang ano siya, wide, so medyo deceiving. Mukhang malayo pero malapit na pala kasi pag tingnan mo sa side mirror pero at least kita mo. Mukha siyang malayo pero malapit lang yan. Kailangan mo pa rin tumingin ng side mirror. Na-adjust yung side mirror ko yung sa left, kalimutan ko i-adjust. Ganda ng Chigee ah. May quad lock pa ako dito. Ganda. Alam ko may ano din ito eh, lean. Ano to? Ito lean angle negative 33. So pag magli-lean ka, front and back tires, ang features ito, so naka-lean. I think that's about it.